Fine. So now wireless topology. Okay. Fine. In wireless topology, I have used Cisco Packet Tracer to show you the connectivity of few laptops with Wi-Fi device.
Yes.
I have used ना मैंने यूज किया था पैकेट ट्रेसर का.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nobody else is responding. Only Shadik. What happened?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Now today, look. Few points about this topology. No doubt, in case of media, we use unguided media, yani ki we transmit our data through frequency.
Yes, sir. Radio waves.
Radio
Yes, sir.
waves. Fine.
Yes.
And in this radio waves, mostly we use local device for our office or home or any other location. And these devices works on few free frequency that's range that can be 2.4 or 5 gigahertz. ऐसे कुछ फ्री फ्रीक्वेंसीज हैं जिसपे हमारे डिवाइसेस रन करते हैं. ये फ्रीक्वेंसी है 2.4 गीगाहर्ट्ज या 5 गीगाहर्ट्ज. ठीक है. आप देखेंगे किसी भी डिवाइस पे तो आपको ऐसा ही दिखाई देगा. वैसे अभी हम लोग एक प्रैक्टिकल भी देखेंगे जिसमें कि एवरीथिंग विल बी क्लियर. एंड वो जो सेंट्रल डिवाइस थी जिससे हमने कनेक्ट किया, दैट डिवाइस इज जस्ट लाइक अ एक्सेस पॉइंट और यू कैन से राउटर आल्सो.
Yes.
Because now in these days everything is available into a single device. Okay. Now for just let me check, maybe some student is giving me call. Just a minute. Okay, fine. Now every Wi-Fi device is known by a name. As you set your name at phone also, whenever you just share your internet connection with somebody else. So in that case, a name is displayed at his or her phone. Who would like to connect with your phone? एक नाम display करता है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Device.
And that name is SSID. SSID means Security Set Identifier. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप कॉलेज आते हैं, इधर नाम दिखाई देता है क्या? CIMAGE. That CIMAGE is SSID, Security Set Identifier. We can set any name as a SSID for our Wi-Fi network, and that name will be displayed at all devices whenever anybody will search. And next point is, this topology can be extended easily. इस टोपोलॉजी को हम इजीली एक्सटेंड भी कर सकते हैं by connecting more access point. For example, you have to make Wi-Fi home. I'm not talking about organization. Wi-Fi home कि मैं टेरेस पे हूँ, बालकनी में हूँ, कमरे में हूँ, हॉल में बैठा हूँ, या जिस तरह का भी आपका घर हो, everywhere I can connect with my internet, means Wi-Fi network. In that case, you are just going to make your house as a Wi-Fi house. And to make a house as a Wi-Fi house, single Wi-Fi device, single adapter cannot cover the whole area if your house is big. In that case, we use multiple access points. And it is very easy to extend the range of your Wi-Fi network. That's why I have written, this topology can be extended easily. इस वजह से इस टोपोलॉजी को हम बड़ी आसानी से एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. ओके. एंड नाउ फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन के लिए हम यहाँ पे डिफरेंट तरीके के प्रोटोकॉल बेस्ड सिक्योरिटी पासवर्ड लगाते हैं. कहते हैं ना, सिक्योर है मेरा वाईफाई, मींस वी हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड सम पासवर्ड.
Yes.
If anybody would like to connect with my Wi-Fi network, in that case he or she will have to give a password also, and
Yes,
for that
sir.
case he or she will contact with us कि भैया
Yes,
मेरे को
sir.
पासवर्ड बता दो. Fine. So for that security we use different protocols like WEP, WPA, WPA2, WPA3. Okay. So through these protocols, we can set different types of password, high secure password. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
all these points are very confusing to all of you. That's why I'm going to perform a small practical with the help of Cisco packages, at which I will try to configure something as much as possible with the Wi-Fi device. Okay.
Yes.
So just let me open my packet tracer. Now, first of all, this is the point for Wi-Fi devices. Now I'm going to take a home router. Usually, we use this kind of router for internet connectivity. Fine.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
at this router, with the help of this router, we can connect multiple wireless devices like our phone, laptops, and desktop also. If desktop will have wireless card, fine. So I'm going to select few devices like laptop, one laptop, two laptop, three laptop, four laptop. Fine. I'm just going to connect wireless LAN card, power of this laptop, then remove wired NIC card, remove wireless NIC card, and then insert. I have removed wired card, then inserted wireless.
Wireless card.
Then I have switched on my router, the laptop. Now next laptop, same task I will perform at every router. Fine. In this way, I have just connected 4 laptops with this router. Okay, so this is a wireless topology. Now, we have talked about different name means SSID and security protocols and some more things like how a device can get connection through this Wi-Fi device or wireless home route. कैसे कनेक्ट होता है इस राउटर पे कुछ ना कुछ तो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन होगा.
Yes, sir.
Fine. That's why I'm just going to open this device. Fine. Now see. This is a picture of external part of our router, and here we can see there are 2 antennas. Router can be available with 4 antennas, single antenna, 2 antenna, right? So there are 2 antennas. This is a on-off switch, AC power, and fine. Now it has 5 interfaces, 5 ports. The first port that is blue in color is used for internet connection. Suppose I have got a connection from any ISP. किसी ISP से connection दी, then a wire will be inserted into this device. Then after it will broadcast it will give internet connectivity to other devices, to connected devices.
Yes, sir.
देगा. तो इंटरनेट का जो केबल होगा that will be inserted at this port. Fine. Blue port. Everybody is getting my point.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
इस
Yes,
port
sir.
की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. Fine. Now from this port what can we do? These are the LAN ports, like LAN 1, LAN 2, LAN 3, LAN 4. These ports are used to give connectivity to a wired network. Okay, fine, it supports wireless network. But it can also give service, means internet service, to a wired network also. How? Let us see. Suppose in our home there is a study room. In that study room, there are 4 or 5 pieces, because we have a joint family and all brother and sister study together in a study room. I'm just creating a scenario. Otherwise, in these days, joint families, hardly we see joint family. Fine. So in that study room, I am just going to connect a switch. I have taken a switch. Now I am going to take few PCs like machines. बड़े भैया, छोटे भैया, छोटी बहन, छोटे uncle. मान लो, these are our family members. Fine. Now we can easily connect these machines with the help of a cable. Okay. Finally, I have given connection to all 4 computers, desktop machines, to a switch, and now we would like to access internet at these machines also. So for internet service, we should connect this device, this MAU. This is a star topology based network, na? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So fine. Now I am going to give connection to this switch to the internet router. Now I am going to use gigabit Ethernet port. Any port can be used. Now from this port, I am going to connect. Now see, gigabit Ethernet 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 ports which I have shown in the picture. One is
Yes,
for
sir.
internet and
Internet. Yes.
another for LAN connection.
Wi-Fi, wireless. Yes, sir,
Wired.
Wired, sir.
Yes, wired. So any port we can use except internet, because internet port is used for internet connectivity, means connectivity with ISP.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have given connection. In this way, there is 2 topology combination. 2 topology का combination हो गया यहाँ पे.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
One is wireless, another is wired.
Star.
Means a star. Wireless and star. So this kind of topology is also known as hybrid topology. Hybrid topology means the combination of 2 or more topologies. Okay. Now fine. Network is up. Okay. Now.
Yes, sir.
अब हम बात करते हैं कि ये जो मशीनें यहाँ पे हैं, इन मशीनों की कनेक्टिविटी अगर हो रही है, in that case these machines are getting some identification, and this identification is known as IP address, because without IP no any node can communicate to each other. So these
Yes.
devices are getting IP address. But who is providing IP address here? Which device is providing IP address? Is this IP address provided by ISP? But I have not. Till now, I have not connected any ISP because this is a simulator. Actually, the IP address is provided by this wireless router. Let us see. I'm just going to first of all click at this laptop. Fine. Now, desktop, then IP configuration. At laptop, you all can see that this laptop has got an IP address 192.168.0.100.
Yes, sir.
And there is a subnet mask and default gateway.
Sir, what is subnet mask, sir?
Look, my dear friend, IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. All these things will be clear in your IP chapter,
Okay.
which we will discuss later. But for now, subnet mask is used to define network, different network. It provides IP range in a network. Okay.
Yes.
This laptop has got 100, 192.168.0.100. And now we will see at another laptop. Right, this one is the second laptop. Desktop, IP configuration, 101. Fine. Just next IP. At this laptop, 102. At this laptop, 103. Fine.
Yes, sir.
These laptops have got an IP address because at these laptops, DHCP is enabled. And DHCP means Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Actually, this is a service which provides IP address to different nodes. And this service is available at the router, wireless router. DHCP एक ऐसी सर्विस है जो IP देने का काम करती है और ये सर्विस जो है वो आपको राउटर पे कॉन्फ़िगर्ड है। इसीलिए इन सारे लैपटॉप्स को एक एक IP मिल गई। अब हम यही सेम चीज चेक करेंगे अपने बाकी के डेस्कटॉप मशीन। लेट अस सी क्या है। पर डेस्कटॉप मशीन पे बाय डिफॉल्ट स्टैटिक सेलेक्टेड है, मींस मैनुअल आईपी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन का है। तो जस्ट वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू क्लिक ऑन DHCP. Yes, as I have clicked on DHCP, then this device has also got an IP address from our router. उसको भी एक IP मिल गया जैसे ही मैंने DHCP पे क्लिक किया।
Yes.
ठीक इसी तरीके से मैं बारी बारी से अगर सब पे कर दूं तो सबको एक न एक IP मिल जाएगा। फाइन। 5 6 7 ये सारे मिल गए।
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now all devices which are connected to this wireless router get an IP address from this router because this router has DHCP service.
Yes, sir.
Now these nodes can communicate to each other. How can we check connectivity? If these nodes are communicating to each other or not? So we can check connectivity just by using ping command at command prompt. For example, from this laptop, I'm just going to ping all other devices. Now IP range is 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like this. So I have clicked on on this laptop. And now I am going to click on command prompt. And from this command prompt, I will use command ping, ping. And then after, I will give IP address of another computer. Like this laptop IP address is 100. The next laptop address is 101. Yeah, I'm getting reply. Then 102. Again, I'm getting reply. 3. 4. Desktop machine IP. 4. ये जो IP है वो इस machine की है 4.
Yes.
I'm getting reply from that desktop machine also. 5. In this way, we have checked that okay, all devices are communicating to each other. सारे एक दूसरे से communicate कर रहे हैं. Fine. This is the way how we connect with a router, wireless router. Fine. And all connected devices can communicate to each other. What is inside this router? Now, this is the external part of the router, but I am just going to access this router through GUI. ठीक है? और रियल सिनेरियो में भी अगर आपके पास राउटर हो तो आप क्या करते हैं, किसी भी लैपटॉप पे चले जाते हैं और जाने के बाद आप उसके ब्राउजर पे जाइए एंड यहाँ पे आप जो भी है लाइक 192.168.0.1 आई थिंक ये राउटर की आईपी होगी, यूजर नेम, admin, password, admin. I'm just using. Fine. This is the default username, admin. So we can access our router from any computer in the network, even phone also. अगर आपको उस वायरलेस राउटर के यूजर अकाउंट और पासवर्ड के बारे में मालूम हो तो I have accessed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बिल्कुल सेम आप रियल सिनेरियो में कर, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम इन द कॉलेज राइट नाउ एंड फॉर एग्जांपल somebody has complained about internet connectivity, so he has just told me please check the internet connection. How can I check? So means I have to go to the go near the wireless router, then connect any laptop. No, there is no issue. I have not. There is no requirement to go anybody near the router. Anybody can access it from any part of the network where there is connectivity. Like I am in this classroom, so I can access the router. Router is at the top floor or at the ground floor. I can access, like I have accessed here. Access कर लिया?
बट सर उसके नेटवर्क से जुड़ा रहेगा तभी तो सर.
हाँ बिल्कुल, तभी तो कहा मैंने कि जहां कहीं भी आपका नेटवर्क हो, आप अगर कनेक्टेड हैं तो आप कहीं से भी अपने राउटर को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, जैसे मैंने अभी किया.
तो उसके लिए पासवर्ड वगैरह सर पता होना चाहिए.
हाँ, पासवर्ड पता होना चाहिए, ऐसे तब तो हम किसी के भी राउटर में एंटर कर जाएंगे.
यस सर.
Okay. Now at this router, see, this is the default IP of our router, which I have used in URL 192.168.0.1. Okay. And now DHCP service is running, DHCP enabled. That's why it is providing IP, and the start IP is 100, 192.168.0.100. That's why our devices got IP address like 100, 101, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir.
right? Maximum number of users can be up to 50. Means it can provide IP from 100 to 149.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, this is a SSID. SSID is SSID means security set identifier, and its default name is default. We can keep name like CIMAGE, fine, and see, its frequency range is 2.4 gigahertz.
Yes.
2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, multiple channels. Fine. Now, save settings. I have just clicked on save settings. To save this change. Now, I'm just going to show you about security. I think at this device, no password security available. Access restriction. No. Okay, fine. Now, from this router, we can control the access of internet, how much data can be accessed by any user, which type of URLs means websites can be opened in our network, or which type of websites cannot be opened in our network. Okay, means everything can be managed from this device. In this way, a wireless topology is established, a wireless network is established. At this application, there are few limitations, but when you will access the real router, you will get more options. Okay?
Yes.
Any doubt? Sir, password setting?
Password setting, I have not got any option.
Sir, there is no option on security, sir.
Yes, that's why I have told you. But it is available. Security. No. So fine, this is the simulator. We are getting this much of features. It is very easy for us to do some practicals.
Yes, sir.
So try this application, try these this scenario with the help of packet tracer. It will clear your concept. आपका concept clear करेगा. ठीक है?
Okay.
Now I'm going to stop my sharing. Is there any question?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everything is clear.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please, Vivek.
Sir,
Yeah,
Sadiq,
Sadiq.
sir.
Sadiq,
Yes.
yes.
Sir, can we also control the sites that have been opened to the browser?
Yes, yes, definitely. You can restrict all those sites which you would not like to access by any user in the network.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Attendance is good. Just give me 1 minute. I am going to mark your attendance.